All right, we're back at it. We got the replacement spindles, so that's these right here. This comes in assembly, so it makes it really easy. We'll just undo the bolts that are on the deck, replace all 3 spindles, and we have 3 new blades, so we'll put those on. Then we'll put the deck back on, clean it up, get it started, and we'll see how it goes. So what I'm gonna do now is just remove the old spindles out of here, here, and here. And probably replace some of the screws or the bolts, because we did that for this one. So we'll see how these ones go when we take them out. I think we broke a couple last time, so we'll test that out now. And I'll come back at you when we get these ones done. So we got all the spindles out. We broke a couple bolts, so we are going to be replacing all of them with all new hardware. Something kind of cool to see is look at the pitting on these spindles. They look like they got hit hard with rocks and maybe some corrosion from being in wet grass, I don't know. We had originally changed out one of these spindles before. It's still under the deck, but one thing we forgot was on the new ones, either these ones are meant for pass-through nuts and bolts, but we actually tapped this on the old one that we used, so we're going to replace all 3, and we're going to tap these again. So we're going to go do that now, or shortly. So I don't know if it's the right ones or not, but we are going to tap these, so it'll work.
We're going to tap them. M8 by 1.5, 1.25. M8 by 1.25.
There you go. So that's what we'll do. Tighten it. No, just tighten the clutch.
See what? Higher, stronger?
Yeah. So it just to the drill setting. There you go.
Anything? 2?
1. Stop. So undo it.
I hate our tools. This makes me like bug out.
Yeah.
This is like super annoying.
By hand we go.
We have 3 of these to do. 12 holes.
Mm-hmm.
But it's aluminum at least, which is nice.
So that's rinse and repeat for 12 times. We'll come back at you. Now Aiden's saying that the tap is his favorite tool, so I don't know what's going on.
No, the tapping set is my favorite tool because I like good hardware that works well, especially when we're working on it. But it makes my skin crawl when like you try to do something like that with that tool and it just dumb stuff like that, like the clamping forces it enough and rah.
It is like 30 degrees here today. I'll put that in Fahrenheit below for my US friends, and we are coming to the end of summer, and I haven't done any videos, as you are aware. It's been too hot to do stuff. I'm not going to be cutting trees down. I'm not going to be doing the hedges. As you can see, they're still uncoiffed hedging, but the main focus is to get this zero turn up and running again, and we're very close. All right, so now the pulleys are on. They are spinning nice, all fresh. We're gonna flip it upside down, put the blades on them, and then we'll put it back onto the zero turn over there. Stand behind it.
Let's grab both the brackets.
Just make sure that the cutting edge is the farthest away.
What?
Just make sure the cutting edge is farthest away from the deck. So it cuts the grass and not...
Oh, gotcha. So closest to the
ground. This will be for the back side. Middle one first. Just hold it on there. Ready? Okay.
I don't know how big it is on this side, but... Sweet.
Deck is now done.
Cheers.
On that middle one. Under this one. Around this one. Over that one. Over this one. First thing to do is hook up the belt on the back. Make sure all the pulleys are right. Good. So now that the carrier's on the back, pin goes in, and we're done. That's it. So we're gonna start it up and give it the once for.
Want your rope there?
Oh yeah, can you hand me that? That's the sound it's supposed to make.
Yeah.
All right, that's it. I'm gonna give it a bit of a wash down. that'll be it for this machine. This has served us well for 7.5 years. It's been great. If you haven't checked out the videos of me buying the new one, which was the Toro My Ride system, which is the upgraded version of this, you can check it out on the channel. But that's it for this video, and that's it for this machine.
Sweet.
If you like this content, please like and subscribe and share with your friends.